Welcome back, everyone. Claire here, the onboarding specialist at Quantum Algo Trading. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create your TradeSyncer account and select the correct plan. To begin, use the TradeSyncer link provided in the description below this video. Using that link will bring you directly to TradeSyncer, where you will be given the opportunity to begin a free trial. Select the option to start your free trial, enter the email address you want associated with your TradeSyncer account, and create your login information. TradeSyncer may ask you to verify your email address before continuing. If it does, open the verification email and follow the instructions provided. Once your account has been created, sign in to TradeSyncer. You will be brought into the platform and shown an option to view plans. Select View Plans and choose the Basic Plan. The Basic Plan is the least expensive TradeSyncer option and includes what most Quantum members need to connect and synchronize their Lucid prop firm accounts. You will also have the option to choose between monthly and annual billing. Monthly billing offers more short-term flexibility, but if you expect to use TradeSyncer as part of your regular trading workflow, consider selecting the annual plan. When you are given the opportunity to enter a promotional code, use the code QUANTUM to receive 30% off. Complete the registration process, and TradeSyncer will bring you to the home dashboard. Once you see the home dashboard, your TradeSyncer account is active and the registration process is complete. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue following the Quantum Onboarding series. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to connect your Lucid accounts to TradeSyncer and configure them for synchronized trading.